Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Mazda 3 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation for the headlight, we need to make sure we prep the entire lens. So just apply Slip Solution to the headlight, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start with the installation, we need to apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And one thing you can do, since the headlight is a little narrow when it comes to doing the installation around this section here because of the design of the bumper, you can apply Tack Solution. That way once we place the film and align it, the adhesive on the film will start tacking down to the lens. As you can see now, the film is starting to tack down, so that's what we want. That way it's easier to just grab our squeegee and secure the film. So apply Tack Solution on top, make sure you hold it, that way it doesn't move, and with your squeegee start tacking down this entire section here. Once this section is secured, now we can move on with the rest of the film. All we need to do is just stretch it until we reach it to this edge here. So in case the film did get dry, just apply Slip Solution. That way we're able to stretch it until we reach it to the edge here. And around the edge, apply Tack Solution. That way once it reaches there, we can automatically just start tagging it down with our squeegee. So stretch the film up until the edge, hold it in position, spray Tack Solution on top, and start tagging it down to secure the film. You're going to have to hold the film with one hand, that way it doesn't move, and then with the other one, just start tagging it down. And make sure to not let go until the entire film stays tacked down around this edge, because if you let go too early, the film will start shrinking back to its original form, and we don't want that. We want it to stay anchored on the edge here. Okay, so once we let go, the film has to stay. If it doesn't move, then it's good to go. So once we finish tacking it down, now we could secure this middle section here. Make sure to just remove any solution that's trapped underneath this middle section and seal the section on the bottom and on the top by applying Tack Solution and heat. One thing you can do to help tack down the film and also remove the solution at the same time is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and then squeegee down at an angle. That way we help remove any fingers around the curved area as well as help it tack down. And then just make sure before we post heat that there's no solution underneath the film, so make sure there's no bubbles. And once everything's good to go, then we could proceed to post heating the entire headlight. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation is to post heat the entire headlight. So just apply Tack Solution onto the lens, and once you finish applying Tack Solution, grab your heat gun and start applying heat throughout the entire section of the headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also remove any solution that's trapped underneath the edges. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Mazda 3. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.